Okay, so let's move on with question number 8. Why doesn't the indicator affect titration? So this is because the indicator is the substance that you put in your titration, and it changes color depending on the pH. It also doesn't affect titration because only a small amount is used. So you really only add like 1 or 2 drops of your indicator, such as like phenolphthalein, and that's basically all you need for it to change the color in a titration. So it's pretty helpful. See what our junior tutor said? Indicators are substances that are used in a titration experiment to determine the endpoint of the titration. These substances change color when a certain pH is reached. There are usually weak acids or bases, but their conjugate bases or acid forms have different colors due to differences in their absorption spectra. Does not affect the result of titration because it is usually added in small amount, 1 to 2 drops only, just enough to make a visible color when a certain pH is reached. And as said above, it is a weak acid/base. However, if a large amount of indicator is used, the indicator will affect the final pH, lowering the accuracy of the experiment. So for every titration experiment, it is appropriate to determine the amount of indicator that will be added to the analyte. So you don't want to add too much indicator, like they said, because this will have an effect on the pH.